Let's go on this adventure. Okay, it's 71 Fahrenheit, 21.6 Celsius, I think it was. And we got 0.47 of an inch of rain. I'll put that in centimeters when I work on the video. And we've been having rain this morning. It's starting to rain again. They said it's going to rain again in a little bit, so I figure I'll walk the dogs a little early before dinner. I gotta pick up this rose limb here. Barkley keep peeing on it. I can feel some sprinkles now. Come on, puppies. There's my lettuce coming up. I still got to pull some weeds. Oh, they're pulling me. Kale's not up yet. It's too early for that. Come on this way. I didn't plant no tomatoes or nothing yet. I didn't even start them from scratch the way I did last year. I'm still debating if I'll still be here. Anyway. You can hear the birds are singing. I gotta take the bird feeders down. I got hummingbird feeders up, but I haven't seen no hummingbirds yet. There's my milkweed plant over there. I started from seeds. You can probably hear the thunder in the distance.